Welcome to ACE 2.0. In this video, we'll be going over how to sell a website using ACE 2.0 and what their new features are. So from here, let's get started. On this first page, you'll have choose your marketing categories. You'll have 4 categories to choose from: web and mobile, marketing campaigns, collateral for printing, e-marketing, and advertising. Well, in this video, we're going to go into web and mobile. From here, you'll have ACE Custom Website, ACE Pro Website, ACE Retail Shopping Website, Storefront Catalogs, MyDocs, EasyDocs, QuickDocs, Web Hosting with Creative Services, Custom Mobile Sites, and Mobile Sites using Fiddlefly. First, let's go into ACE Pro Websites. ACE Pro websites are pre-programmed formats, not templates, but formats. This is a great way for a cost-saving approach on using a website for your client. Here, you'll be able to view examples of some pro formats we have done. Let's continue on. Let's plan our website. Number of pages. Here, you'll be able to select a number of pages using a pro website. 8 is our maximal number, so we'll go to 5. Copywriting, professional copywriting can be added to your order. So I'm going to go ahead and add that and close this tab. On the right-hand side, you'll see that the items just mentioned have been added, and this total will be your retail price you can give your client. And this price is half yours and half ours. Next, we'll have Content Management System, which is your CMS. This will allow your client to update their website, meaning change photos, update any kind of text, update some links, anything along those lines. And this is a free feature for your pro website, so you can go ahead and add that in, and it comes up as a free feature. Next are your formats. When doing a pro website, you do have to select a format. At this current time, there's 6 to choose from. First off, let's go to Format 1, and I'll point out a few things to keep in mind. There are some add-on features shown in Format 1, and they're listed right here, so you can know what you're looking for. So let's view example for Format 1. As the example comes up, some things to keep in mind are the overall layout of the website, meaning your navigation tabs are up top, your header image is a large image, and down below you do have 3 call-out boxes, your photo to the left, or your photo to the right, and your text to the left. All this will need to remain the same. However, what can change are obviously the photos, the color, the texture behind it, the text for all of this, the font can be changed. So more or less you're just looking at honing in on the actual layout. That will be this way. Same with, you want to make sure you go to an interior page. In the interior page you'll see the header image is a smaller image and it is laid out similarly. This is a good example to go into. Now let's go into another example to show you a difference. This is Format 3. Format 3, automatically going into it, you see that it has 3 images side by side. This is a different kind of header. And this would look awesome if you added a rotating header to something to upsell with your client. Also, you have an area for large text here, as well as text on the left-hand side and a photo to your right. Now let's click into the interior page. And you'll see interior, there's just one large header for all the interior pages. So these are just some things to keep in mind when they are selecting their format. So I'm going to go ahead and select Format 3 and close that. At this current time, there's 6 formats, but hopefully in a couple weeks we'll have 13 to choose from. Next, you'll have photo headers, the same as a rotating header. And you can view the examples. So this is a smooth rotating header. And what this does, it just adds interest to the website. So if you're client has 3 or 5 images they love and they want to be shown throughout the website, this is a great way to showcase it in a rotating header. And this is just a smooth rotating header. And then we also have some other example. Once again, this is the carousel, which would slowly rotate between 3 images in a carousel line. And these do vary in pricing. So I'll go ahead and add the carousel and close out. And you'll see that it's all been added to my column here. Next, we'll go to the Select Search and Organizational Tools. We have SEO Ready Kit. This tells you a little bit about it, and this helps us from the back end prepare the website to be SEO ready. We have Custom Page Add-ons. This is the Easy Tab Slider, which is a quick way for a map or photo or form to pop out of the website to help your client find it, as well as an accordion content organizer. This allows your client, if they have a lot of information, a lot of text on their website that they want, it's a good way to break it down based under category. So here you can kind of see the accordion effect of it. It's a good way to consolidate information without overwhelming that page. And then you have a login and password for the protected area. So you can have someone actually log into the website to be able to view certain areas. Next, we have custom forms. These are your contact us forms. You have up to 10 fields, meaning 10 different questions. You have 20 or 50. Next, you have form routing, which would allow the forms to be submitted based on what they're looking for, meaning if they would like an appointment or if they have a question, depending on what they selected, the form would be routed to a certain email address. And then lastly, an employment application form, so you can have people actually apply on your website. Next, we have file exchange and links. So they can have any kind of downloadable file, PDF, Word, Excel, or JPEG files, and you would just select the amount you need. You have file upload, meaning if you wanted to accept resumes or any kind of documents on your website, they could go there and actually upload it through your website. And then you have external links, which will allow it to link to other websites. So I'll go ahead and add a few of these in there. Next, we'll add style to your site. We have a photo gallery, which is a slideshow photo gallery. Let's view the example. And they have thumbnail images down below, and this slideshow slowly rotates throughout these images. You can also add descriptions to the images as well, but it's a great way if your client has a lot of photos they would like to show. We also have a standard Lightbox photo gallery, which would just pop up to show those photos. Next, we have multimedia. So this is a video player, an audio player, or a magazine page turner. Just adds interest and different things to the website. So here, a magazine page turner. So they'll be actually able to go through a newsletter or anything along the site. Next, we'll have a blog, press, and pop-up pages. So if they would like to blog, you can add a blog to the website. Press and publicity page that allows people to post the latest news about your business or anything that's being featured in articles that will appear on your website. And then a pop-up page when you have information on a page that needs to be separate. So it's a good way to add that in. Then we have PayPal button, meaning you can do a PayPal cart, which is an e-lite, and it's up to 20 products. Or you have a simple PayPal, which is just usually a donation button, and those can also be added to pro websites. So let me go ahead and add one of those in. Next is consider some fun features. We have a mobile and tablet site, so you can turn your website into a mobile or tablet version that would fit the screen and be customized. You have social media links that you can add. So I'll go ahead and add a LinkedIn and a Twitter. And then you also have extras, meaning you have a Google map, you have driving directions. That being said, it will take from where you currently are and actually be able to get directions to the place of business on the website. You have locations. You can actually showcase all the different locations of your business if there's multiple ones. You have rotating testimonials, meaning you could showcase this on your home page, and every time they would go to a home page, you would have a database that had 10 different testimonials that would actually rotate on that page. You have an interactive calendar. It's a great way to showcase upcoming events or volunteer opportunities, things like that. And then you have a reservation scheduler. Great for, doctor's offices or salons or restaurants. You can actually take a reservation online. And lastly, we have Creative Services Hosting. By hosting with us, you will get a $300 value off your retail pricing, and that does not include your annual fee on here. So we'll go ahead and add this, and we'll go up to the top, and it shows that your discount has been added, and then it has your final retail pricing. This retail pricing, once again, is half yours and half ours when you divide it. So from here, let's save a summary, or if you're ready to place your order, this is where you would go. And once again, it goes over the itemized list and then your client information. So let's do Kate's Turner, and the shoes would be Kate's shoes, or the business would be Kate's shoes. And then my center ID, and my name, my email, and then my phone number. Oh, there it is. And then I would either place my order or save my summary. For here, I'm going to place my order. Your saved summary is ready to be ordered. So it has my ID, so in case I change my mind, I will have a summary ID, and this is saved for 90 days. Also, at this point, your net wholesale cost with Creative Services is this price. So make sure when you are ordering a website that you aren't doing it in front of your clients, because it will show you wholesale pricing. And then from there, you would just fill out all the information and the credit card information, and you would place your order. Simple as that. All right, so next, let's go into web and mobile. Let's go back, and we're going to actually go into custom websites. A lot of the features for pro websites are the same as custom. However, there are some changes. With a custom website, when that is placed, you'll actually have no limit to pages. You can have as many pages as you like. Here, it goes up to 50, but obviously anything more we would just request a quote for. Also, whenever you order a custom website, you would get 2 proofs, meaning 2 custom designs would be made for you and your client to choose from. Versus a pro website, there would only be the format you selected would be changed. So that's something, a great selling point. So you can go ahead and add this in, and you can see the total has been added to the right-hand side. One thing that's different on all the features are exactly the same. The only thing different are under custom, we actually have navigation tabs that can be changed. We can add animation and colors to the actual navigation tabs of the home and about us and things like that. So that's just another, add-in for you. But other than that, everything's exactly the same with all this. And once again, the sky is the limit. In the same way, you would either put your summary number here to retrieve your summary, or you could reset the form. Meaning if you start a website and it's not going what you need, you can actually reset it, and then you can save your summary. All right, continuing along, we're going to go to Ace Retail Shopping website. These are your e-commerce websites. They obviously have less features because it's more focused in obviously the e-commerce and the selling point of it. So once again, you would choose your number of pages, up to 100 products, 3 content pages. So these are included in packages up to 500 products and 3 content pages, up to 1,000 products and 5 content pages, or up to 2,500 products and 6 content pages. Anything more than that, we would just do a request for quote, and it can be done. So you can go ahead and add this in here. I'm going to go ahead and add the 100 products with 3 content pages in. And then content management system is included, same with custom and pro websites. Then you have header images that you can choose from. You only have a couple options, the static header, which is no movement, or smooth rotating header, which is the simple smooth header that just rotates between. Or you have a header swap, meaning there's a different photo on every page up top. So pretty much the features, everything else are the same, very, very simple. Multimedia, social media, and custom forms can be added, as well as mobile and tablet sites. And then from there, you can either save your summary or reset. So if you ever want to go back to the main page, you can always click this little ACE banner, and it will take you back to your first page you've seen. So from here, this will conclude our first training on web and websites.